How to edit header in Wix. So in order to edit your header on Wix, you first need to head over and open right here your Wix website editor. Into this part, you can see your header. I having here my header with my logo, menu, and also having here this login option, cart icon, and the likes. So into this, you can actually edit it and resize some things or remove some things. Like for example, you can click onto the logo right here and click onto the menu, and let's put them into the actual leftmost side right here. Now, as you can see that behind this is actually a smooth search option. So you can click on the bell icon and then move that or move this right here. And as you can see, it looks much more better now. So you can also edit this particular header by clicking on the any blanks part of this and clicking onto this inspector icon. Opening this inspector icon gives you access to responsive behaviors as well as headout settings, as well as backgrounds, colors, overlays, layouts, as well as animations that you can utilize for your header. So head over and edit everything that you would want. So that's how you edit header in Wix. Hope we help.